Good morning from the Route 19 Antique Mall here in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. I don't think I've ever filmed here before. I'm usually too exhausted by the time I make it here. But I'm excited to go in. They're having like some kind of anniversary sale or something. So everything's 20% off. Let's go in and see what they got. Well, there's the first thing that stands out to me. That kind of sand-carved fish paperweight. Carved fish paperweight. I can't really. Claire. Oh, it is signed. Claire Robert. It says $45. Oh, and then they have the cat pottery vase. That's fun. Nice little egg. I like the zebras and the horses. Kind of look like Staffordshire. Oh, that's beautiful. The Fenton coin dot lamp. Now here, this is pretty awesome. This Costa Boda bucket. That's $30. I think I might pick that up. Oh, and look, we got some cats right above it. What is that weird swirl paperweight? That's kind of neat. Oh my gosh, she's great with her rhinestones. I feel like she's missing her poodle. But for $9 and 20% off, not repaired, which is unreal. I'm looking underneath the string for the tag. That's usually where the repair is hiding. Yeah, she's got all her stones. She's coming with me. And I love this. What is it, a compact? A little purse, checkerboard. 48 on that. This clock, though, oh my gosh, have fun. General Electric. And then over here, they have some nice brooches. I love the pink depression glass tumble-ups, excuse me. And that's kind of neat. The fan vase, speaking of fans. Hey, that looks like Blinko. Yep, Blinko ruffled edge. 45 on that. It's kind of nice being here early. Wow, look at that Empoli. Oh, and the, what is that, Fire King? I can never remember. Yeah, Fire King, the tulip, one of my favorite patterns. The polka dot's my favorite, the tulip's my second. Yeah, it's kind of nice being here early and having the entire place to myself. Oh my gosh, be still, my heart. Is this locked? How do you open this? I think it's locked. The Herb A. Thomas in the middle. That actually looks like Blinko Rosé. Excuse me, that's a really good piece. How do I, I have to find out how much that is. I don't see any sign of a tag on it. And here, this looks like a little Florenza lipstick holder, 18 and 20% off. That's a really good deal. Oh, but it's missing a couple stones, so I'm gonna leave it. They're calling about the Herb A. Thomas vase. Here's some lucite candles, $40 each. That's a good deal if it's for yourself. I kind of feel like those have dropped in price. Everyone's always like, pick them up. And then when I do pick them up, they don't sell for that much. So, nice Viking. This is different. Hammered copper and brass Israeli pitcher. That's neat. I feel like that would be something in David's booth at the Heart. I love this print of Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. These are cool. Moroccan glass, $5. Yeah, it's just printed on. It's not cut. From afar, it looked like it could be like Bohemian. What is this? Different. Arthur Court. That's kind of cool. Now that cat is awesome. German porcelain. $28 and 20% off. Wonder if I could get away with that. I feel like I could. That's pretty fantastic. This case is so cute. Oh, look at the Fenton polar bear on font. Nice Viking ashtray. Gosh, that's only $40. That's a great deal. But what are these? These are neat. Oh, shut up. It's a cat. $18 Italy. That's sold. What's this one? this little like apple or shell. I'm not sure. 18. I'm gonna leave that one, but the cat's mine. That is epic. 2 more cats down from my cat anniversary sale. Although this one's gonna be hard to let go of. I really like that. This is kind of neat. Is that glass or plexiglass? That's glass. They have some really fun stuff in this booth. Oh, look at this little enameled piece. That's so cute. Made in China, but still. I really like the look of that. I think that's the same maker that makes those little trinket boxes that like so much shaped as the teapots and such. What's this dog back here? Oh my gosh, look at you. What? Norcrest, $14. He's fabulous. That's coming with me. I've never seen him before. What a face. And then here, nice collection of Uranium. 40 on that. The frog. Those are cool, the anchor hawking candlesticks. I feel like those might glow. Yeah, they do. $20 and 20% off seems like a good price. Nice little studio pottery pot. And crackle glass pottery. What is that blue? That's unusual. Polished base on that too. Huh. This looks like Blinko, but it says Ali Smith 24. I feel like that's epic. For 20% off, I'm gonna take my chances on that. I'm pretty sure that's Blinko. That's a neat blue vase. And I love this little, what is that? With the hand painting on it. Now over here, some great little squeaks. That's Ellie Smith. Glass leaves, $3, different. Whoa, what is this fish? Looks like Danish almost. Norway, $9 and 20% off. That's freaking cool. That's coming with me for sure. That looks important. Some more cats up here. 16. Oh my gosh, look at this little metal pig. That's so funny. 10. And left in 16. Oh, and I love the strawberry jars. Those are always so fun. This is cool. It almost looks like Bavano. Goodwill sticker still on it. This is a fun little salt and pepper shaker set too. The grill. A lot of those plastic salt and pepper shakers go pretty high actually. Probably a Taiwanese import. What's this bowl? Some more uranium and Vaseline down here. Nice collection of what looks to be primarily St. Clair. Like the pen holder. Yep. St. Clair marking on the bottom. Oh, I love the lamp though. Joe Rice, St. Clair. So freaking cool. That's a good price on that for a collector, especially because you get that 20% off. Wow, look at this mirror shelf. That is amazing. It's got a little crack in it, but I've never seen it with that design on it. With the bottles. This is actually reproduction. I can tell immediately, yep. And I really like this blue Fenton box. It's kind of wild back here. There's a little bit of everything going on. Viking dog. Now Mosser bought the mold, so that's a newly poured one, not the original. Mosser has like almost everybody's mold, I feel like. Here's some cats in a basket. That is so cute, and it's got the fuzz still on it. Look at the little Tanala frog. 16 on that. Glass frog, 15. Oh, I like this carved wood dog. He's really good. He looks like he's got some age to him, too. Nice Ellie Smith there. Over here, I see a little Easter display. I love the tin litho egg. 15 on that. And these wind-up toys, these are always so fun. Are these is this the original or the remake? Looking for the marking on it. Made in Korea. Yeah, it's newer than the one made in Japan. It's still got a little age to it. $10. That's a pretty good price, actually. I think I'll take that. He's got his, oh, whoa, looky here. So cute. I love these, Roseboro. $12 each, basically. It's a good price for a collector. A little close for me. Those are kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they go way up. Sometimes they just kind of flop. This is an interesting four-sided. Whoa. That's unusual. The owl. Four-faced. Oh my gosh. This box, though. That's amazing. $15, so $12 on that. That's coming with me. I love the look of that. I've never seen that before. When I was bringing the bookend up, I saw it had a chip on the side. That makes me almost excited because I feel like I can keep it there. Wow, look at this Limoges. It says Limoges. It's gorgeous. It's really expensive. I'm being careful on putting that back. Fun compact. 18 on that. Oh my gosh. It's an armored Tanala cat. Oh, dang, it's locked. I have to get a key for that. That's coming with me for sure. It's $20. I've never seen an armored Tanala cat. The armored Tanala are harder to come by as it is. Look at this little skunk pin. That is cute. The metallic, those usually do well too. And it's going to be 20% off. That's coming with me. I've never seen the skunk. Let's see what other pins they have before I go back and get a key. There's a Viking amethyst cat. That's a really good one. I love the cloisonne bangle. That's different. Now, I failed to mention, or see, I should say, I didn't say the one in front of the two. So, unfortunately, the Tanala cat will be staying there. I'm just now seeing that Vandermark perfume back there, too. That is gorgeous. Oh, interesting. I can't show everything that's... There you go. That's pretty epic. And I love the owls with the big jeweled eyes. Speaking of epic, look at the clown stick. That's fun. I usually pull some cool stuff out of here. I like that Amberina ashtray. I like the blob one. I got better, though. And I'm starting to feel a little shopped out. I can't believe how much stuff I've bought on this trip. It's unreal. That's good, though. It's been kind of a quiet winter with all the weather we've been getting out here. Well, I got some great stuff and got a couple cats for my Whatnot anniversary show. And I'm hitting the road. I'll see you guys later.